So today I want to show you guys how to patch your tire when you get a situation like this where a screw or a piece of nail that kind of gets in and then slowly release the air from a tire. Just FYI, this is something I've already been doing. So one of my tires from the other side on the same truck actually had the same very similar puncture almost 2 years ago, and I patched that tire up and it's been great, knock on wood. I haven't had any issues. So this is sort of a tried and true method that I've already been doing. So just want to kind of share this experience with you guys as well. So the tools I'm going to use for this repair is this patching kit that I got for Walmart. These are pretty much readily available anywhere, and it does also come with this glue and pair of pliers to pull out the nail. And in my situation, I'm actually going to be using a Phillips head screwdriver as well, because this looks to be a screw. So I'm going to try to twist it out first and then pull the rest with pliers. Alright, so now that it's already kind of sticking out, I'm going to prepare my kit. So, alright, there you go. Air started to come out, so I'm gonna insert this. You basically want to go as deep as you can with this, so that way it makes the hole bigger, and then you can start plugging that in afterwards. And now we're gonna try to insert it. And you basically push it, try to push it all as far as you can. It does require some effort. It's not that easy, especially if the tires are like this, like the all-terrain tires. And now, as you can see, the plug is already in. And now we're just gonna press it as far as we can, and then pull this needle out, and plug should stay after that in its place. We're just gonna trim that piece out and then pump some air into the tire and then see how it looks after that. So stay tuned. Now we're gonna cut the excess off. There you go. All right, now we're gonna pump some air and see how we did. So while air is pumping, I'm gonna check it with this soapy water just to see if any air is coming out of here. So as you can see, it doesn't look like air is coming out anymore from that hole. So it's still waiting on the air to be pumped. Alright, we just reached the 30 psi mark. I don't see any air bubbles coming out. I've actually got into the car. Here we go. Just at 34. For the time being, let me show you what we have in the reading right now. So guys, I just did a test drive with the patched up tire and filled with air. We had a 34 psi showing on the tire, and after driving it for a little while, for a few miles, the tire expanded, and psi, actually the tire pressure went up a little bit, and now it's showing to be all squared away. All 4 tires showing 35 psi, and seems to be all functioning properly as it should. I hope you guys find this video to be helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I hope to catch you guys in future videos. Take care.